Hey guys, Eli here, and on this video I want to go over all the unboxing that I did within the past month, so the month of January. I'm going to show you guys all the silver pieces that I actually bought for the month of January, and guess what? We're starting now. If you guys love to talk about personal finances and mindset and you guys want to help support the Urban Lifestyle channel, be sure to start now by hitting the subscribe button, hit that notification icon so you guys get future notifications of my future videos. And to all my thumbs up squad, make sure you guys leave a thumbs up. It really helps out with the YouTube algorithm and getting this video out to different eyeballs. And at the same time, make sure you guys comment some of your thoughts down in the comments below. And if you guys want to help support the Urban Lifestyle channel even more, make sure you guys join the Urban Wealth Creation Discord alongside taking advantage of some of the free resources that we have in the description below. And at the same time, make sure you guys join the Urban Wealth Creation Discord if you guys want to talk to like-minded people just like you. And we also have a tab where we talk about gold and silver, so make sure you guys stop by and say hi. My gosh, that took a lot of breath. Whew. One moment here. Whew. All right, so let's go right into it. So you guys know I actually recorded all the videos pre-recorded. I'm just going to be giving commentary on everything that I actually own. Now I did change up my goals because I did say in the beginning of the year, this year, which was like what, 3 weeks ago, I did say I wanted to get about 10,000. I kind of downgraded the goal a little bit because I realized that the percentage of my gold and silver is like up there as far as everything else, as far as my portfolio. So I did downgrade it, and I'm not looking at a specific goal or a specific number. I just, I wanted to add $10,000. Hey, I may reach it, but my thing is I'm just gonna buy as much as I possibly can, and if I pass it, I pass it. If I don't, I don't. So I'm really focused on it. Now the thing is, I had put the same amount of money as far as gold and silver into a stock. So I had like I think it was about 20,000 in gold and silver, and then I had not 20,000, I'm sorry, about 15 to 16, 17,000 in gold and silver, and I had about 20,000 in stocks. And the reason that my stock market just last year just outperformed everything. All right, now I do have crypto as well. So I'm downgrading. I'm actually downgrading my percentage as far as what I want to add into gold and silver. When I say downgraded, like I said before, I'm not downgrading it to the point where, hey, I may hit 10,000, I may go beyond it, or I may be just below it. I'm just going to be adding some sort of gold and silver each and every week. Okay. So let's go over here and see what did I actually get. So don't mind me, I may hesitate a little bit because I'm just watching the whole video itself at the same time you guys are receiving it. So let's go ahead and see what we got. All right, looks like we have an empty, oh, there you go, it's about to be an empty table. So I got this package from, I like to say that it looks like SD Bullion. Yes, that is SD Bullion. And looks like I got some coins coming out of there, some silver coins, taking it out bubble wrap real quick. Now sometimes these bubble wraps be extremely hard. It's like it's Fort Knox just to get inside there. So I have to rip it up, and it looks like 4 coins there. I couldn't believe me. There's so much stuff going on this year. I mean, this week, this month. It's hard to remember what I received. So far, it looks like 4 Buffalo coins. That's awesome. Got these from SD Bullion. It's a bit cheaper, and the reason I bought it from SD Bullion is because I went to my coin shop and I checked the prices, and I see my coin shop was asking a little bit more, so I decided to go online. It's much cheaper. So I got these 4 coins right here. I forgot the pricing, but I do know it was a better price than I would found anywhere else. So I did take advantage of it, and I think it was like on sale as well. So I did get it. They gave me their SD Bullion card and all that, but I pretty much threw all those away. I don't really care about it. If I'm looking to sell, we all know I'm not looking to sell, so they gave me a pamphlet. Not looking to sell. So, and they also asked me if I want to get some storage space. To be honest with you, I have my own personal storage space outside of my home that I keep my precious metals. So not really interested in those. But what I am interested in is these 4 beautiful Buffalo coins. Well, rounds right there. Looks real nice. I love Buffaloes for some reason, even though it's not a coin. It's a round, not a coin, but I love them. All right, so the next one I did get from my local coin shop. Now the thing is, I went to him and I was like, hey, look, I got these from SD Bullion. Like, come on, what you gonna do? Are you gonna give it to me for these price or what? So he gave it to me at a better price, and I also got like a nickel there. You guys know I pretty much every change I get, I'll go to the coin shop, and then I'll go for the week and just get whatever I could get. Now this one was from SD Bullion again. Same thing as far as the coin shop, the same thing. I went there, hey, how much can I get 50 dimes for? I can get it this much. He didn't want to go down, so I said, all right, SD Bullion it is. I'm going over there. So I got me 50 dimes, Roosevelt dimes, and the packaging they put it in is like, it's hard to take out. It's real hard to take out. It's like, man, like, you guys want to make sure I get this stuff like on time and safe. So you guys can see it's all dimes. I think that's the only thing I got from them around that time. And the reason I'm buying constitutional silver from SD Bullion is because those are the cheapest silver I found that I can buy right now. A lot of people may say they don't like junk silver, or they might sell all their junk silver, or, you know, I want to hold junk silver because, hey, the value of it is going to go up. I mean, 30, 40, 50, 60 years ago, you could have got those for a dime, or you just received them just by getting change back. And now, since we got taken out the gold standard, since the dollar was no longer on the gold standard, they actually stopped making them with silver. And the prices of these are even more up. Remember, back then it used to be a dime. It used to be worth a dime. Right now, these are like in between $2 to $3. All right. Now, I do want to give a special thank you to Yankee Stack, and he did send me this. I was on a live stream, and I was like, hey, Yankee, man, send me a quarter. And you're like, put your address down. And I was like, yeah, I ain't gonna put my address down. But the funny thing is, I had a P.O. box. So I put the P.O. box on there, and he actually sent it. I was just playing around, but I do want to say thank you, Yankee, for sending it. That was very generous of you and thoughtful of you. I do want to say appreciate it. Thank you so much for actually sending it to me. But that's pretty much all I have as far as the gold, well, as far as the silver that I purchased for this week. I'm not going too heavy. I'm just going because, you know, I have to diversify the money. I have to put it some into stocks, some into savings, as far as emergency funds. And I also have to put some into crypto, a percentage, a small, minute percentage into crypto. And as of course, you know, I got to diversify it into to gold and silver as well. But I don't want to run my I don't want to run my budget too thin. Right? I don't want to run my budget too thin. So I don't want to keep dividing the money in different places. So that's that. But I do have a coin shop story. You guys know my coin shop. I've been going there for a long time and went under new management, and I just feel like the prices, just me personally, I just feel like the prices is a bit too high when it goes to the coin shop that I normally go to. So there's this guy in there named Eli, same like mine, Eli and Eli. And I built a real cool bond with him. We're talking about for the past 3 years. So the new owner, he fires him. And then he decided to open up his own coin shop. And the funny thing is that he opened up a coin shop right across the hall from the coin shop that I normally go to, his previous employer. And I was like, whoa, man, what happened here? He told me the story, and I was like, man, that's messed up. So I just went over there, I'll say 2-3 days ago. 2-3 days ago, I went over there to talk to him, and it was very uncomfortable, very uncomfortable. I walked in, we have the old coin shop on this side, we have the other coin shop on this side right here, the new one. And I walked in, and this one sees me, and he pressed the buzzer for me to come in, because, you know, it's a buzzer. I heard the buzzer. So it's like, I'm not even looking that way. I'm like, let me just slide over in this one, because he do offer better prices. And for him, he always gave me the best price he can possibly can. The other one, I just felt like, come on, it's too much. The price is too much. But since that's the only coin shop around, now it creates a little competition. So it's a funny story, because I went over there. The sell price is much better. His sell price is much better. I went over there and I sold like probably a couple of ounces of silver, just to see how it was gonna go. And this one I'm used to getting $1.50 below spot. $1.50 below spot. That's the old coin shop. If I were to sell anything to him, $1.50, sometimes $1 over under spot, below spot. So I went to this one and I was like, hey, what's the deal? What's the problem? You know, what you give me for these? He said, hey, no problem. I'll give you a quarter below spot. And I was like, hold on, what? Yeah, a quarter below spot. I'm like, hold on. I like that. No problem. That just threw me up for a loop. I was like, all right, no problem, cool, we'll do that. But how much are you doing it because it's me and we know each other? He's like, yeah. I'm like, don't do that. How much are you doing it for everybody else? It was like, yeah, 50 cents below spot. All right, do it for that. Let's do that for that price. The 50 cents below spot. Because he's a friend. I don't want him to lose money. That, if you're running a business, yeah, I like to get discounts, but at the same time, I don't want to get discount if it's hurting your business. This is your way of feeding your family. All right, so let's do it for your regular price. Don't treat me special. I mean, if I'm getting a big order, then yeah, let's do that. But as long as it doesn't hurt you. I don't know why I told that story. I just felt it was a cool story to say. Now it's competition. Now it's going to force this guy to bring his prices down. And that's what I like. Competition. Competition is healthy when you're the consumer. It's very healthy when you are the consumer. All right. But that's pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys today. Make sure you guys comment down below. Let me get that thumbs up. And before we go, here's a word from our sponsor. Yes, I am sponsored by myself. Let's see the sponsor. Hey guys, Eli here. If you guys want to help support the Urban Lifestyle channel, consider becoming a member of this channel here. Got tons of exclusive content. Videos uploaded every Monday through Friday. Exclusive video courses. This is how I got thousands of dollars in the bank. Access to Silver Talk Uncut, Bald Head Shiny Guy. Access to a members monthly giveaway. Congratulations. A whole bunch of extra content. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. It's very highly appreciated. Thank you so much and have a beautiful day.